Would you like to know how to combat the effects of jet lag? With just a few essential oils and the recipes that I have for you, you're going to be able to know how to take care of your body and feel rested when you reach your travel destination. Hi, this is Rebecca Park-Titilo, and today I want to tell you about the essential oils to use for jet lag. With essential oils, you can vastly improve your travel experience by being able to sit back and relax during the flight, arriving at your destination fresh without the jet lag. At the end of this video, I'm going to have a bonus for you with recipes for you to have on hand for avoiding that dreaded jet lag and other travel woes like motion sickness, anxiety, and more. So what is jet lag? Depending on whether you are a world traveler who has stacked up thousands and thousands of frequent flyer miles, or just someone who's planned an annual vacation to a far-off distant location, you've likely experienced what many refer to as jet lag, which can have a profound effect on your sleep and your alertness. Millions of travelers suffer from this common sleep disorder every day, which results from an imbalance in the human body's natural biological clock. And this is what tells the body what to do at what time, such as when you go to sleep or when you eat. But because of this sudden change in the body's 24-hour cycle called the circadian rhythm, jet lag results from long-distance travel across multiple time zones on high-speed aircraft. Circadian rhythms measure the sharp rise and fall of body temperatures, plasma's levels of certain hormones, and other biological conditions, which are influenced by the retina's exposure to sunlight. Many people didn't know that, but that's what helps determine when to sleep and when to wake. So while you're traveling to different time zones, the body's rhythms are slow to adjust and remain in the original biological schedule for several days. This condition of jet lag may last for several days when a traveler is feeling like it's time to go to bed when it's really in the middle of the afternoon, or staying awake during the middle of the night. Nobody wants that. Some of the symptoms you may experience with jet lag include sleep disturbance, maybe trouble falling asleep when flying east, maybe awakening earlier than usual when traveling west, or fatigue, or increased irritability, lack of appetite, and dehydration, which all of these can cause headaches. So let's talk now about which essential oils you should use for jet lag. My number one choice, bergamot. This is a mild yet refreshing essential oil. It has that citrus tone to it. It's great as an uplifting essential oil for bad moods. Now, it's like grapefruit in the sense that this oil can help awaken your senses and make you feel much more alert. Another favorite is cedarwood. This oil is considered a natural sedative and can help to reduce restlessness and anxiety. Due to its high content of sesquiterpenes, cedarwood enables you to relax and to go to sleep, which in turn helps to reduce fatigue from those who suffer from jet lag. Sesquiterpenes, one of its chemical components, is known to oxygenate the brain cells, which enables you to arrive fresh and alert. Another one of my favorites is geranium. This essential oil is known for its hormone-like balancing properties. Geranium helps to rebalance the body's hormones such as melatonin, which is known as the sleep hormone. And this oil helps the body in balancing those hormones that can reset your clock, thus reducing the severity of disrupted sleep patterns and other body functions such as hunger, the immune response, and mood changes. It works well in reducing edema and fluid retention, which is also something that travelers get because of all the sitting that they're doing for hours on end in an airplane. But this one, in fact, helps to stimulate the lymphatic system and keep things moving. Now, grapefruit Do you need a pickup? I tell you what, this is the oil to have because it has such a perky fragrance. It awakens you from that fog after a long plane ride. And it's also excellent to brighten a stale hotel room. Now, this oil is very spiritually uplifting. It eases muscle fatigue and stiffness, and it relieves nervous tension and exhaustion. It also alleviates depression. So this is a great oil to bring with you. Everybody's standby is lavender. It's one of the most popular essential oils out there. Lavender is a favorite because of its relaxation. It encourages a sense of serenity, and it reduces anxiety while giving you that peace and calm. Now, lavender, in my opinion, is like medicine chest in a bottle because of its large range of effects. Lavender has been around from the beginning. It's very calming. It's an antidepressant oil. It has so many uses, I can't list them all here, but it is known to reduce anxiety, reduce the stress, help with that restlessness and insomnia when you're traveling. When you're running through airports, those congested crowds and the highways and all of that, this is the oil to have on hand. Just carry it maybe in your purse or your pocket. It's great for children. It's also used for elderly just by inhaling a few drops on your tissue or maybe carrying a pocket inhaler with you. This is something you can have with you, easy to get to and have on hand when you're traveling. So as you can see, there's a many wide variety of choices for you that are indispensable for your travel kit and will help you in traveling with less stress, less anxiety, and to help you treat some of those symptoms that may be travel related. These oils will also help you with supporting your immune system while traveling around all those people, help you to get a good night's sleep before, during, and after your trip. Now, as I promised, I mentioned that I had some essential oil recipes for you for jet lag. I'm going to share the link here for you and also put it down in the description. I want you to go over and visit our website. We have a lot of recipes for you for making products that you can take along with you on the airplane. Now, keep in mind that there is a liquid limitation rule when traveling, like 100 ml travel size in the containers, but you can really reduce everything to just a small sample size, if you will, and these can easily fit into any of the products, can fit inside a Ziploc plastic bag. So you'll be able to take maybe a roll-on with you or one of those inhalers, maybe take a diffuser blend or something that you can use in your room for treating. I even have another recipe here that's for fear of flying if you happen to suffer from that. And so go ahead, run over to our website, take a look at that, and let me know what you think. Leave a comment below if these have been helpful tips for you. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.